Hi, good day everyone. I give you a quote from famous person, Betsy Bertam. This is every day is a gift filled with memories, smiles, new events, and changes in your way of doing things. It marks another notch in the calendar of life and a growing understanding in yourself. Celebrate its day with excitement, travel more roads, taste more of life, and simple as many of the wonders of this world as you can. And I give you a speech from this quote. I want us to take a moment and simple thing about today, this very day. It's easy to rush through the hours, taking things of a list, but we forget the simple, beautiful truth. Every day is a gift, filled with memories, smiles, new events, and changes in your way of doing things. Think of it. Today mark another notch in the calendar of life, and with it, a growing understanding of yourself. You are not the person you were yesterday. You have learned, you have adapted, and you have grown. This is why we should just live our days. We must, we must celebrate each day with excitement. If there is one challenge I can leave you with, it's the simple mantra. Travel more roads, taste more of life, and simple as many of the wonders of this world as you can. Don't wait for a sign. Don't wait for a special occasion. The sign is the sunrise, and the occasion is simple today. And I hope you learned something from this simple speech. Thank you, and God bless.